Bharatiya Janata Party's star candidate from Kerala, Metro Man E. Sridharan, is all set to fight in Palakkad. Today, the Prime Minister is all set to make his touchdown in the poll-bound state to campaign for E. Sridharan. The star candidate spoke to Republic in an exclusive interview. Listen in.
Joining me is a special guest, Metro Man E. Sridharan, who has moved the land, the sea, the mountains, and by move, I mean he has transformed the very landscape. Be it the Pamban Palam, or be it the Cochin shipyard, or be it taking out piles of sand and earth from underground for Delhi Metro and even Kochi Metro. E. Sridharan is an icon for India and for the world. And in an exclusive chat with Republic TV, he is going to delve into some of the lesser known side of him. Thank you, sir, for joining with Republic. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Ashwin.
So my first question to you is that you're now back in Palakkad. You studied in Victoria College in Palakkad. Now, if you see, it's like a circle of life. You come back to Palakkad again. So how do you see this? You know, after so many years, you've just come back to the place that probably took you off to a different tangent altogether in your life. So how do you see this?
Well, it is just a destiny. I was born in Palakkad district. I had my education, early education, Mission High School Palakkad, Victoria College Palakkad. Thereafter, I was also worked for a short period as divisional engineer, Southern Railway at Palakkad. Other than that, I've been always out of the Kerala state itself. So after about 67 years of official life, coming back to my own state with a determination to serve the people of the state, that gives me a lot of pleasure and a lot of satisfaction.
What is a message for young people who wants to come up in life as a leader? Because see, your work involved taking a team along. So what is it that instilled that great professionalism in the team, or brought in productivity in the team? What is it that you would like to tell even young entrepreneurs who are trying to manage a team?
Wherever I get a chance, I speak to youngsters. I go to engineering colleges, I go to universities. And wherever I go, my main stress is having good values, uphold good values of our country. Dharma, Satyam, Satyameva Jayate. These sort of things I used to always talk and instill them. And that is what I am even now would our youngsters would like to follow. They should follow good values, good character, good virtues. It is not what position they hold is important, but what values they are preserving within themselves. That is most important.
I'm going to give you some words. Just give a free association. Like when I say this word, you can give a free association. Commitment.
Commitment is one that is necessary in any work that you do. You should be totally committed to it.
Problems.
Problems do arise. You can't have a problem-free life at all. But you should be able to sublimate the effects of these problems.
Family.
Family is something which you should cherish and love. Keep them happy all the time.
Bharat, that is India.
That is our sacred mother, and we should be very, very fond of her, worship her, work for her.
Hard work or smart work?
Hard work.
Luck or free will?
I think leave it to God, whatever you do. Okay. It's not either, I won't call it luck. Whatever is the right thing will happen.
One closely guarded secret of your success, very, very close, that you've never shared?
Well, I normally share all the ingredients of my success, out of which I always say integrity is the most important thing. So there is nothing like holding it back or not revealing it.
One thing that you would love to talk to every day, one subject or one thing that you would love to talk to every day?
That is only about practicing good values. Whenever I get a chance, I speak to the people for that.
And one thing you would never like to bring into your conversation,
Hate of others.
and how to deal with adversaries.
You should be able to, as I said, absorb or sublimate these adversaries and be peace with it.
Be at peace with it. So be at peace with it. That's a final message. Be at peace with it, even in front of adversaries. That is experience talking. Thank you, E. Sridharanji, our favorite icon of India, you can say. And thank you, sir, for joining us in an exclusive chat with Republic TV. Our humble pranams to you.
Thank you, Ashok.